Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on a Lenovo E2 Pro. To do this, first you will need to download Lenovo Cleaner app, and you can find it on the Google Play Store or App Store on iOS device. Then when you open the app, make sure that you have an account, so create one or log into already existing one. And after that, we should see something like this. Then we can click on Add Device and find our robot, Lenovo Cleaner E2. And then it will ask us for the Wi-Fi network password, so we're gonna enter it. I'm using 2.4G network, make sure that you connect to that one as well. And in the meantime, I can tell that my robot is connected to the charging station, and the charging station is connected to the power source. And then now reset device, press and hold power button and the recharge button at the same time for 3 seconds, and you will hear the voice prompt the robot is in the network configuration. So we need to press on those two buttons at the same time.
Wi-Fi reset, ready for easy mode connection.
Now we can open the back cover, and if the Wi-Fi sign, the cover is actually, okay, let me zoom out to show you that. So you need to open that cover, and then there should be the Wi-Fi sign blinking like I have right here. When it does, we can click on next.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
Here's our robot. You can rename it if you like by clicking on that pen button. Then we can select Done. And the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.